Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the Forex Factory News EA for MT4 and MT5, and this is a news trading expert advisor designed to automate trading around scheduled economic events. And before I get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this EA supports both MT4 and MT5. And it is currently priced at 30 US dollars. Now, the developer is Alexei Moshkin, and the version shown here is version 2.0, updated on June 26th, 2023. As I scroll through the marketplace description, the core idea behind this EA is very straightforward. It is designed specifically for news trading, and according to the developer, it can operate on any time frame. The EA downloads economic news directly from the Forex Factory website. So one of the important setup steps mentioned here is adding the required Forex Factory URL into the terminal settings. Okay, so there's also a requirement to add the time.is URL. We can see that here. It's important to add that to the terminal settings. It is very much required, okay, because the EA automatically synchronizes and determines calendar and terminal time zones. Now, one thing I find interesting here is that the robot only needs to be launched on a single chart because it automatically identifies the necessary currency pairs for trading internally. Now, looking further into how the EA actually handles trades, the marketplace description explains that it uses pending orders before a news release. Specifically, it places 2 buy stop and sell stop orders ahead of the scheduled event. So essentially, the EA is preparing for potential volatility expansion during news announcements by positioning pending orders above and below price before the release occurs. All right, so the developer also mentions that the EA can be tested inside the MT4 and MT5 strategy tester. Okay, but there is an important limitation noted here. Historical testing is only available on Euro USD. All right, only on Euro USD. And users need to manually specify the historical news time inside the EA settings during testing. So the EA also works only on hedging account types according to the information provided here. Now, moving into the settings section, there are actually quite a lot of configurable parameters available. Right away, users can define the list of currency pairs, stop order distance, take profit, stop loss, break-even activation, trailing stop activation, trailing size, and trailing step settings. There are also different lot sizing options available, including fixed lots or position sizing based on free margin percentage. So traders can adjust risk exposure depending on their preferred account management style. One setting that stands out here is the doubling feature. According to the description, when one pending order becomes active, the opposite pending order can optionally be replaced using a doubled lot size. There is also a parameter controlling how many times doubling is allowed. The EA additionally includes spread filters, slippage protection, and automatic order modification intervals. So these settings can become especially important during volatile news periods where spreads and execution conditions may change rapidly. Okay, so you will also see that there are timing controls for removing unused pending orders, automatically closing trades after a certain period, and setting how many seconds before the news release the pending orders should be aligned. Another thing I noticed is the ability to filter specific news categories. For example, users can choose to trade only non-farm payroll events, or selectively enable high, medium, or low impact news. All right. So there are also options for placing Euro JPY orders during JPY related events and Euro USD orders during USD related news events, which adds some flexibility in how the EA reacts to different economic releases. Okay, so now we're just going to be moving into the historical backtesting section. This is where we can evaluate how the EA handled previous news events during completed historical testing periods. All right, so we are going to be testing the EA on Euro USD. All right, let's head over to the strategy tester right now. So we're going to be selecting the Forex Factory News EA, Euro USD, and we're going to be testing from the beginning of the year till date so we can get a reasonable data for the back test. Okay, so let's begin the test immediately. All right. Okay, so we can see that from the trade history, the EA actually finds opportunities in the market, of course, around economic events. And we can see this is an example of a trade that was taken here. This is a trade history. Of course, the EA is not in a haste to execute trades. So you will notice that there's quite, a significant distance between one trade and another. All right. And you would also notice that when a trade is executed, it doesn't take long before the trade is closed. Okay, just like how we can observe that happened here and here again. Now, heading over to the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $3,000, there was a total net profit of just $7.15. All right. And we had 23 total trades taken. Short trades were 12 with 83.33% win rate. Long trades were 11 with 90.91% win rate. Now we can also see that the largest profit trade was $5.12 and the largest losing trade was $3.02. All right, and the average profit trade was just 77 cents while the average losing trade was $2.77. Okay, so this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good, because for the average profit to be less than $1 but the average loss to be close to $3, it tells us that the risk to reward is not good enough. Okay, and because this EA is specifically designed around news volatility, historical performance can vary significantly depending on the broker environment and the exact market conditions during the tested releases. The overall historical testing performance should always be viewed as historical analysis only and not as guaranteed future performance. I'd also recommend running longer term testing yourself across different historical news periods so you can better understand how the EA behaves during different types of economic events and volatility environments. And if any tests were performed using simplified modeling methods instead of detailed tick data simulation, it's always worth doing additional testing yourself for more accurate historical evaluation. All right. So overall, Forex Factory News EA looks like a specialized automated system focused specifically on scheduled economic news trading using pending order logic and event filtering tools, right? But the amount of customization available for news selection, order handling, timing, and risk management is definitely one of the more notable parts of this EA. But as always, with automated systems, especially news trading robots, results can vary heavily depending on broker execution quality, spread, slippage, market volatility, and user configuration. So before considering live trading, I'll definitely recommend spending time testing and optimizing the EA yourself on demo first to see how it behaves under your own trading conditions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.